Good morning. Let us continue problems from previous year's question papers. This question has occurred in JEE Mains 2017. Okay, so let us start. Question: a value of x satisfying the equation sin of cot inverse 1 plus x is equal to cos of tan inverse x is options A half, B 0, C minus 1 and D minus half. Question: a value of x satisfying the equation sin of cot inverse 1 plus x is equal to cos of tan inverse x is options A half, B 0, C minus 1 and D minus half. Okay, here we have to find out a value of x satisfying this equation. That is, we have to solve this equation. Okay, as in the previous problems, first of all, take substitutions for the terms most inside the bracket. That is, in LHS, take substitution for cot inverse 1 plus x, and in RHS, take substitution for tan inverse x. Say theta, phi or anything. Okay, that is, first of all, take substitution for cot inverse 1 plus x as theta. And in RHS, take substitution for tan inverse x, say phi. Okay, then question reduces to sin theta is equal to cos phi. Okay. Also, we have taken substitution for cot inverse 1 plus x as theta. From that, we get cot theta is equal to 1 plus x. Similarly, tan phi is equal to x. Okay. Then, from that, we find out the value of sin theta. That is, from the value of cot theta, find out the value of sin theta using a right angle triangle and Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, from the value of tan phi, find out the value of cos phi using right angle triangle and Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Then equate these two equations. Then we get two quadratic equations, and then just solve that. Then we get the value of x. That is the procedure. Okay. Then let us start. Now we have to solve for this equation. For that, first of all, take substitutions for the term inside the bracket. That is, in LHS, take substitution for cot inverse 1 plus x, say theta, phi or anything. Similarly, in RHS, take substitution for tan inverse x. That is, put cot inverse 1 plus x as theta. Similarly, in RHS, put tan inverse x as phi, which implies cot theta is equal to 1 plus x. Similarly, tan phi is equal to x. That is, we have taken substitution for cot inverse 1 plus x as theta. Similarly, in RHS, taken substitution for tan inverse x as phi. Now, the question reduces to sin theta is equal to cos phi. Now, we have to find out the value of sin theta from the value of cos theta using a right angle triangle and Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, we have to find out the value of cos phi from the value of tan phi using a right angle triangle and Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so let us start. That is, we know that cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. That is, cot theta is 1 plus x, that is cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. Now, from the value of cot theta, we have to find out the value of sin theta. We know that sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. So, from the value of cot theta, we have to find out the value of hypotenuse. We know that Pythagoras theorem is base square plus altitude square is hypotenuse square. Okay. Then here base square is 1 plus x the whole square, that is 1 plus x square plus 2x. Expand using the formula of a plus b whole square, we get a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, altitude square is 1 itself, then hypotenuse square becomes 1 plus x square plus 2x plus 1. That is, hypotenuse square is 2 plus x square plus 2x. Then hypotenuse is square root of 2 plus x square plus 2x. Value of hypotenuse. Okay, then sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, that is sin theta is 1 by square root of 2 plus x square plus 2x. Okay, similarly, in RHS, from the value of tan phi, we have to find out the value of cos phi in the same procedure, that is using a right angle triangle and Pythagoras theorem. Find out the value of cos phi from the value of tan phi. Okay. Just try yourself and you will see after 5 minutes. Now, we obtained the value of sin theta from the value of cot theta. Similarly, we will find out the value of cos phi from the value of tan phi. That is, we have tan phi is equal to x. Also, by the definition of tan theta, we have tan theta opposite side by adjacent side. That is tan phi is opposite side by adjacent side. From the value of tan phi, we have to find out the value of cos phi. Cos phi, we know by definition of cos phi. Cos phi is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So, we have to find out the value of hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. We have Pythagoras theorem is base square plus altitude square is hypotenuse square. So, here hypotenuse is square root of base square plus altitude square. Okay, now we obtained the value of hypotenuse. From this we get cos phi is adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. Now our equation reduces to 1 by square root of x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. Now we just simplify these two equations and then we get the value of x. Okay. First of all, we take the reciprocal and square it on both sides. Then we get x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to x square plus 1. Okay. Now on both sides x square get cancelled. Then we get 2x is equal to 1 minus 2. That is minus 1. Okay. Then we get x is equal to minus half. That is the value of x satisfying this equation is minus half. Okay.